This 2026 NuCamp Tab 400 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 18 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 3, stovetop burner, external shower, spare tire kit, LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, refrigerator, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front dinette, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Tab 400 is 3,139 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.